Hello everyone, I'm going to do a tutorial on Smart Music. I know you saw the one earlier, but this is another one specifically for the voice. So first thing we're going to do is go into Canvas. Click on either your Google Classroom or your Gmail. Once you have clicked on one of those, you're going to see the 9 dots or the waffle up at the top. Click on that. Scroll down till you get to Canvas. Click on Canvas. And you're going to get to your dashboard. Once you get to the dashboard, select your dashboard, select your class. Okay, and then when you get to there, I'm going to do student view so that you can see what it looks like. You're going to see upcoming assignments and past assignments. Today, I want you to click on this one right here. Then once you do that, you're going to read the instructions. It says to complete the lesson. And I'm getting smarter, and I gave you a link so you don't have to type in the Smart Music. So click on that, and it'll take you to the Smart Music homepage where you can log in. So type in your username. It can be your username or your email. Followed by your password. And click login, and it'll take a second. If you don't have a Smart Music account, please email me and I will help you get one created. Either I will show you how to do it or I can create one and give you your username and password. Okay, so once you get into Smart Music, it'll show you all the assignments that are due and all the assignments that are recently graded. And you can click on those recently graded ones and find out what you got, or because a lot of times I will regrade them and show you what you're really got and what I feel you really should have got. I'm pretty easy. So I'm going to click on this lesson because that's the one that was in Smart Music or in Canvas, Lesson 3, Rhythm 5. Click the Start button. Select your instrument. Most of you are treble voice. Some of you men are the tenor bass. Click OK. While it loads, sing a song or something. Tell a joke. Okay. It gives you your instructions. Click close after you read your instructions. And then in order for you to sing on pitch, if you click this ear right here, it'll give you a starting pitch. That's my pitch. Test your microphone. Start. 1, 2, 3. And rest. 2, 3. Ta, 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 ta. So you can see some of the notes I got wrong. Some of them, if they're behind it, that means I was too slow. The red means I was off pitch. Green means I was on pitch and on the rhythm. Okay, so once I am satisfied, I can click record and do this as many times as I want. And then over here, don't worry about getting rid of your old takes because it remembers all of the scores that you got. So from the most recent to your best score. So you can come over here and pick the one that you want to submit. Hopefully the one you want to submit is your best score. So I'm just going to click this one. And once I click it, I'm going to say submit. You can type anything here. This was easy. This was too hard. And click submit. It'll take you a minute. In fact, today when my other boys were trying to upload it, it took forever. In fact, it even said you can't upload it. So then it didn't work. They just kept trying and trying and trying, and eventually they were able to get it to upload. Try clicking save. Maybe it'll save it, and then you can come back and upload it, so you don't have to keep retaking the test. Then once it uploads, it's done. It says submission of your take. Take submission succeeded. Click close. Now, what happens if you've waited and you've tried and you've tried and you've tried and you just are to the point where you just can't do it anymore? So I'm going to show you a trick. What I want you to do is I want you to take a screenshot of this page. So in order to do that, you're going to click the control button and you're going to click the little button up at the top that has a square with 3 dashes next to it, 3 lines. So go back to my smart music. Here we go. I'm going to take a screenshot and you can see you can copy it to the clipboard. Now, the bad thing about this is because the screenshot is in a PNG format, you won't be able to paste it into your assignment. So you're going to have to email it to me. So I'm going to show you how to do that first. We're going to click on our Gmail. You're going to click compose, type in my address, and then you can do SRSM or SMSR, sorry, Smart Music Sight Reading, number 3. You can just click paste. Don't even have to send me a message, I'll understand it. Then click send, and your message to me sent. Now let's go back to Canvas. Say it did upload and you didn't have to send me a screenshot, then you're going to click submit assignment. You're going to paste down here done. And what happens if you had to send me a screenshot, you can even put that there. Sent a screenshot because it wouldn't load. So if you were able to submit the assignment, click done. If you weren't, tell me you sent me a screenshot. Okay, make sure you scroll down to the bottom and click on this little button called submit. So you have to click submit twice. Then you'll get a check mark and it'll say submitted, and then you can even click on this and it'll show you exactly what you submitted. Okay, one more step before I go. I want you to click on the grades. Now, if you click on grades, it'll show you everything that you have completed, everything that's missing, and assignments that you turned in late. So obviously, I'm a naughty student because I have a ton of missing assignments, and I have a bunch of zeros. Okay, I have a T right here because guess what? This means that Mrs. Baker hasn't graded them. So lucky for me, I have a really nice teacher, and she's going to give me opportunities to retake these assignments and turn them in. And hopefully I can get them turned in at a good time so that I can get a good grade. Anyway, please take the time to submit your assignments. I will give you time. Do what you're supposed to do for the day, and then click on a couple of them and do 2 more. And hopefully by the end of the week, if you are behind, that you'll be able to be caught back up with the rest of the students. If you have any questions, please email me. Hopefully you are having a good day, and good luck with everything. Thanks.